Okay guys, today I will be going to show you how I make the barbecue ribs. I will be grilling this. Ang nilagay ko pa lang is garlic. Kanina kasi hindi ko mahanap itong cam kaya hindi ko na umpisahan. So I said I didn't find my cam. That's why I wasn't able to start this instruction because of this cam. Nawawala kanina. So now I rub garlics, maybe let's say six cloves of garlic I crushed, and then rub the surfaces of this meat, and then I will place the soy sauce. Okay, let us proceed. Okay, so I already placed the garlic, the abundant amount of garlic. I rub the flesh of this meat like that, and then place the calamansi. Look at this. This is 8 pieces cut in halves of calamansi. That. I am cooking this for my workers, you know. Kaya marami ito. See, sa isang hiwa, big chunk of the pork ribs. And then the Sprite. Lagyan natin ng Sprite para siya lumambot, and then to sweeten the pork and give the tenderness of this pork ribs. Yeah. And we will marinate it with Sprite, abundant amount of Sprite, and then of course to have a salty and tasty taste, yummy taste, the soy sauce. Okay, let's just soak this for maybe 45 to 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour soak. Ang ingay dito guys, because you know, highway nga. I said 45 minutes to 1 hour marinate. Okay, I forgot the pepper, black pepper of course, para mawala ang lasa, para bumango at sumarap ang kanyang lasa, you know. Masamasahe ko lang na ganyan para siya sumarap. Ayan na guys, just soak in here for 45 minutes to 1 hour like that. It's already 11:30, kaya magluluto na ng na-marinate kong barbecue ribs. Okay, grilled barbecue ribs, ang pork ribs ang ating ulam today. Ang gawa namin na yung ang pangalan nito, ihawan, langgana, uling, and then the shrimp. Anong pangalan niyan?
Table string?
Okay. At ito ay masarap na. Yan, masarap na. Diba, Marco? Masarap na to. Ayan. Tayo'y magloloto ngayon ng barbecue. Marco? Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Pwede na yan.
Uh-huh.
Mainit na yan. So,
Sila.
kinainitan na. Wow. Oh.
Ooh, you have to be careful.
Yeba. Opla. Ganon. Papa ang expert dito eh.
Yeah.
Let us try. Si Chef Ed, kailangan dito. Kaya lang, nandun. Teka. Whoop. Ay.
Oh.
Sige, ikaw maglagay.
Sige.
Oh. Ang lalaki naman ng chunk ng mga barbecue ribs na ito. Buo-buo. Oh. Di bale, mag-shrink naman yan pagka mamaya nainitan. Hanggang gabi na ulam ito. Kaya marami. Ayan. 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 Para sa mga nag-work. Dito, ilagay mo dito sa tabi para mo unti-unti nang maluto. Ayan. Diba? Sarap. Ang usok. Nangangamoy usok si Marco. Ayan. Wow. Grabe na. Nabaliktad ko na. Ang bilis na luto. Wala pang 3 minutes, binaliktad ko. Ayan oh, nangitim. Ang lakas ng apoy. Wow. Wow naman yan. Yeah. Okay, harvested. Wow. Yes. Naluto din. Grabe, ang bango. Maitim siya pero masarap ang amoy. Hindi sunog. Ha? Ano naman? Wow. Wowie. Maitim yan, pero masarap yan.
Hindi pa luto yung ulo.
At meron siyang paris na ganito. You want this? With this?
Dino?
Red wine, the Francia. Di pa tapos yan lakay?
Hindi pa ito makapal eh.
Makapal?